Get ready, tech fans. We're diving headfirst into the biggest stories shaking up the world of innovation. First up, CD is talking Nvidia. Analyst Atif Malik has just revised his price target, and while he's still bullish, the competition is heating up in the AI arena. We're talking about potential shifts in market share and what it means for the future of AI chips. Then, we're breaking down Broadcom's massive AI wins. This company is not just keeping pace, they're outperforming Nvidia in some key areas. We'll explore their impressive quarterly performance, the massive $10 billion custom AI chip order, and what it means for their position in the market. Plus, a deep dive into whether Nvidia is still the king of the AI hill. Despite strong growth and cash generation, the stock's high valuation raises questions. We'll look at the mixed trends, the impact of China restrictions, and what investors need to consider. And hold on tight, because Microsoft just made a huge play with Nvidia skyrockets. This deal could be worth billions and involves Nvidia's own chips. We'll break down all the details of this massive partnership. You won't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. CD slashes Nvidia target amid AI rivalry. Nvidia's reign at the top of the AI chip market is facing new challenges. CD analyst Atif Malik has adjusted his price target for Nvidia, signaling that the competition is intensifying. While Malik maintains a buy rating and sees significant upside, this move highlights growing concerns about rivals chipping away at Nvidia's dominance. The key driver behind this revision is the impressive performance of Broadcom, which recently announced a staggering $10 billion order for its custom AI chips, known as XPUs. This, coupled with Google's advancements in tensor processing units, TPUs, suggests that Nvidia's graphics processing units, GPUs, might face steeper competition than previously anticipated. Malik's forecast now suggests Nvidia's 2026 GPU sales could be about 4% lower than earlier estimates, potentially impacting billions in revenue. Investors are keenly awaiting Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang's keynote at the GTC conference for insights into how the company plans to navigate this evolving landscape. Despite recent stock dips and concerns over customer concentration, long-term drivers like sovereign AI projects and emerging cloud providers offer continued growth potential. Don't go anywhere, because the AI chip wars are just heating up. Next, we're diving into how Broadcom is not just competing, but actually beating Nvidia in the AI race. Broadcom's AI surge, outperforming Nvidia. While Nvidia often grabs headlines, Broadcom is quietly, and not so quietly, making massive strides in the AI space, even outperforming Nvidia's stock gains this year. This tech giant, with a colossal $1.6 trillion market cap, operates across semiconductor solutions and infrastructure software, but its custom AI chips, or XPUs, are the current stars. Broadcom has secured 4 major customers for its XPUs, with names like Alphabet, Meta, and ByteDance reportedly on board, and a 4th undisclosed client, possibly OpenAI, placing orders totaling billions. Their recent third-quarter earnings were stellar, with revenue up 22% year-over-year to $15.95 billion and net income soaring 37%. Crucially, their AI revenue specifically jumped 63% to $5.2 billion, with projections for AI revenue to hit $6.2 billion this quarter and grow over 60% next fiscal year. CEO Hock Tan has even suggested that XPU market share could eventually surpass GPU share at their large AI customers, a direct challenge to Nvidia's core business. Despite a high forward PE ratio of 38, which warrants caution, the company's momentum and clear demand for its specialized AI hardware make it a significant player to watch. Analysts have been hiking price targets, with many setting them around $400. Can Broadcom maintain this incredible momentum? Get ready, because we're about to dissect Nvidia's latest performance and ask the tough question: is it still the undisputed king of AI? Nvidia's AI crown, still intact or under threat? Nvidia's latest financial report paints a picture of continued strength, with impressive year-over-year revenue growth of 56% and data center revenue hitting $41.1 billion. Their non-GAAP gross margin remains best-in-class at 72.7%, and free cash flow generation is phenomenal, reaching $13.5 billion in the latest quarter alone. Management has issued bullish guidance for the current quarter, projecting around $54 billion in revenue, even without factoring in any sales to China. This performance highlights robust demand for accelerated computing, the successful ramp-up of their new Blackwell platform, and strong networking growth within larger AI clusters. The company also continues to return significant capital to shareholders, authorizing an additional $60 billion for buybacks. This financial firepower provides a solid foundation, especially during market pullbacks. However, the elephant in the room is Nvidia's valuation. With a PE multiple of 49 and a market cap around $4.2 trillion, the stock price already bakes in years of exceptional execution and growth. This leaves little room for error regarding supply chain issues, competitive responses from rivals like Broadcom, potential customer de-risking, or any slowdown in AI spending. While the long-term outlook remains positive, driven by global demand and strategic projects, new investors might consider a scaled-in approach rather than chasing the current price. Will Nvidia's dominance hold firm against mounting competition? Prepare yourself, because the next story is explosive. Microsoft is making a massive move in AI, and it could change everything. Microsoft strikes $19.4 billion AI cloud deal with Nvidia-backed Nvidia skyrockets. In a move that sent shockwaves through the tech world, Microsoft has inked a potentially massive AI cloud computing deal with Nvidia skyrockets, an Nvidia-backed company. This agreement, running through 2031, could be worth an astounding $17.4 billion to $19.4 billion, significantly bolstering Nvidia's position in the AI infrastructure market. Nvidia skyrockets, based in Amsterdam, will leverage its data center capabilities, powered by Nvidia chips, to provide essential AI computing power to the tech giant. The news propelled Nvidia stock to skyrocket by 40% in late trading, marking a record high and demonstrating immense investor confidence. This deal underscores Microsoft's aggressive expansion in AI, complementing its existing partnerships, such as its deal with CoreWeave, another Nvidia chip user and investor. This partnership not only highlights Microsoft's strategic investments in AI infrastructure, but also signals growing confidence in companies like Nvidia that utilize cutting-edge technology like Nvidia's GPUs. It's a clear indicator of the escalating demand for powerful AI computing resources and the intense competition among cloud providers to secure these capabilities. That's a deal that will reshape the AI landscape. Stay tuned for our lightning round recap and all the ways you can stay connected with Qualcomm Pulse. And that's a wrap on today's top tech stories. We saw CD adjust Nvidia's price target amidst growing AI competition, Broadcom's impressive AI surge outperforming Nvidia, a deep dive into Nvidia's valuation and market position, and Microsoft's colossal $19.4 billion AI cloud deal with Nvidia skyrockets. Don't miss out on any of the action. Make sure you're subscribed to Qualcomm Pulse, hit that notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. We'll see you next time.